Today we'll talk about how can you use Temu app. So in the first, all you have to do, just click on your Temu app here. You click on Temu. So then it's going to take you to this list. Just switch in here to open with you like this. So here can you spin? Just here if you want to spin here. Can you just click on spin here? So then you just switch into Skype. So I'm going to skip this ads here. Sorry. So when you spin, just click on spin again. Then here can you spin. So just click on it. Then it's going to spin with you here and you click on stop. So I have one more chance. That's what I have now. I'm going to try last chance. I'm going to spin again and I'm going to click to stop. Okay. So I have here this price like you see. I'm going to sign in to get this. I'm just click on sign here. So then it's going to show for you like this. I'm going to select my or continue with my Google here. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you your email and you select email you want to sign up. So when you just sign up to your app, it's going to show for you like this here. We will go to discover this here. So I get this price here. I'm just click here on grab for free here. So when you just click on it here, I'm going to select it like this and I get this price here like you see now. So in here can you get all this with this price you get in this list here. So then I'm going to click in this list and I'm going to click here on pick now. So then it's going to show for you a list like this and you just click on you. When you click here on you, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. And when you click on this sign, just click on it. It's going to show for you a list like this. And here can you manage your payment methods. Just click on it here. So then here add a credit or debit card when you just click on it. So then here can you add your card number and the expiration date. Then here your number here. Then it's going to add with you when you click here on add your card. So I'm going to skip this and we will talk about next step. Then here can you just manage your country and region. Can you select your country here and here language, here currency, and can you manage here notifications. When you go to your notifications here, can you manage all notifications you have in this list. So then here can you sign out, sorry, can you sign out. Here can you switch accounts. So I'm going to skip this and here can you find your card. All things you have to your cards you will find it here in this list. And here can you select categories. When you just click on it, you select here all categories you have. So can you just select it in this list. I'm going to talk how can you pay any ATMs on your Temu app. Just click on here. For example, in this ATM, just go down here. So can you find all info sorry, can you find here all information about this ATM here. It's going to show for you in this list. So after that, just click here on add to cart. just click on add it to your cart, and here can you select quantity here and model. So I'm going just click on here add now. So I'm going to select here like this, and here you click here, you select here model, and you click here on add to cart. Then it's going to show for you in your cart. I'm going to click to my cart here. Then it's going to show for you in this list. So just click on it now. So then all you have to do now to shop this item here. So if you want to shop this item here, all you have to do to show for you here pay this item here. So you just go after the after you pay any items, you go to your so I'm going to show for you now. So here you click here on your on you here. So then you click on this sign, and you just click here on your payment methods, and here add your credit or debit card. Then automatically it's going to show for you to pay any items on your Temu app. So now we will talk about how can you uh, solve or fix any problems on your Temu app. So all you have to do, so you just click on your on settings here. When you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you just go down here until you will find apps, click on it. So in here in this list, can you looking for Temu app, or just click on search, and here at Temu app, it's going to show for you like this here. You click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down until you will find storage, click on it. You click here on clear cache. So then all you have to do now, you just go to your Play Store. You click here on your Play Store here. So then it's going to show for you like this. You will search here for Temu app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update. Just click on update. Then it's going to fix or solve all problems you have on your Temu app. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. See you in next video.